Hi friends, this is Comzy and I want to welcome you to my channel Comzy's Entertainment World. So friends, आज जिस मूवी के बारे में मैं बात करने वाला हूँ वो आपके नजदीकी सिनेमा हॉल्स में रिलीज हो चुकी है और उस मूवी का नाम है भारत भाग्य विधाता। भारत भाग्य विधाता एक बहुत अच्छे इंटेंशन से बनाई हुई एक बहुत अच्छी मूवी है दैट कीप्स द ऑडियंस इंटरेस्टेड राइट फ्रॉम द स्टार्ट टिल द एंड। इवन दो मूवी में थोड़ी खामियां हैं जिसके बारे में मैं बाद में बात करूंगा। मूवी थोड़ा टाइम लेती है पूरे थ्रिलर कॉन्सेप्ट को सेटअप करने में जो नॉर्मली थ्रिलर मूवीज में होता है, बट द मोमेंट यू गेट इनटू द लाइफ ऑफ ऑल द नर्सेस you understand the problems that they go through and how they fight with their day-to-day lives, you start getting connected with them. Movie ka first half, particularly the first 45 minutes, it's very engaging because यहाँ पर दिखाया गया है कि किस तरीके से नर्सेस की पर्सनल लाइफ है और किस तरीके से हॉस्पिटल में वो इंटरेक्ट करते हैं. There are some really funny moments and very well picturized and very well enacted by the principal star cast. There are several engaging and emotional scenes in the movie that keeps the audience glued to the screen. Right before the interval scene, there is a major twist that happens, and that makes you want to see more what will happen in the second half. It is the second half of the movie that takes the level of the movie much higher. It is this half where you would see a lot of thrilling moments, engaging scenes, emotional scenes, and overall an excellently well executed climax. I think it's the climax of the movie that will win the hearts of all the audience. While the execution of the movie is one of its strengths, but the biggest strength of the movie is its performances. कंगना रनावत, उन्होंने इतनी बेहतरीन परफॉर्मेंस दी है. वैसे भी हम जानते हैं कि वो बहुत अच्छी एक्ट्रेस है, पर इस मूवी में तो जिस तरीके से उन्होंने नर्स का कैरेक्टर पर्दे पर दर्शाया है, she has done an excellent job. She looks like a nurse. Her mannerisms, the way she talks, everything makes you feel that you are seeing a nurse on screen. The supporting star cast have also done an excellent job. Everybody have put in their heart and soul in their character and have performed well. Director Manoj Tapadia deserves full credit. In fact, he should be given all the praises for picking up a concept where he's trying to show that how nurses have put in heart and soul, in saving so many lives. Because nobody spoke about them. When this tragedy happened in Mumbai, nobody spoke about the nurses at the Kama hospital. But he took up the responsibility. Hats off to him. Technically, the movie is very strong. The cinematography is great. The production design is good. The costumes are perfect. And I feel that it's only the editing where they could have worked, particularly in the first half, because a lot of time goes in establishing the principal characters. I think वहाँ पर थोड़ा सा editing हो सकता था. The background score of the movie is excellent. It in fact creates the fear and terror in you when the terrorists enter the Kama hospital. So well done to the technical department. Overall, Bharat Bhagya Vidhata may not be a flawless movie, but definitely it has some good strong points in them, particularly the performances, the technical department, and a good direction. Overall, I enjoyed the movie and I would go with 3.5 stars out of 5. So friends, if you like my video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to hit the bell icon for notifications. Signing off, Comzy Yo!